Hey guys, welcome to another video. So I've got some shopping problems and I've turned to Amazon to try and figure things out. And while I was doing that, I figured let me make a video about how I actually use Amazon to make the best out of it as a shopping tool. What I mean is how to save money, when is a good time to shop, and just everything in between. So I've made a wish list of products that I'm going to rationalize with you guys in this video and basically discuss how I use Amazon. As you probably already know, Amazon is one of the top spots online for online shopping. It's basically an add to cart situation where you just shop online, pay, and have it delivered to your home. Great, great, great. However, my problem is it can get quite confusing browsing on Amazon considering their massive inventory base. So how do you know if the product you're buying is crap? I mean, I know there's a chance with everything when you're shopping online because, colors are distorted, reviews might be fake. All in all, I completely understand that we're taking a chance by shopping online. However, there are some checks and balances that I actually perform when I'm shopping on Amazon that I want to share with you guys, as well as some additional tips on how I save money on Amazon by either creating a wish list or fighting that add to cart urge where you're just impulse buying instead of waiting for the right time to buy. For example, when are the sale events? When would the product be reduced to actually help you save money? First of all, let me show you how to create a wish list. Below every product on Amazon, once you scroll down past the price, you're going to see an option to add to list. You're going to hit add to list and it's going to bring you to your existing wish list, which I have a million of, including my storefront list. But just below that, you're going to see create a list. You're going to hit that and it's going to bring you to this page where you're going to name your wish list. Let me just type in a couple things here. So I'm just going to name it Wishlist Demo for the purposes of this video. And once I'm done, I'm going to hit Create List, and that's it. You're going to see the benefits of this in a couple seconds. So to find back your list, once you log into Amazon, you're going to hit list to the top and it's going to bring you to all your lists. To the top there, you'll see wishlist demo. That's the one we just created. Once you hit see all your lists will be there and just scroll down. There's wishlist demo again. Once you hit that, you're going to see the product we just added right there. So let's get into the good stuff. Let me show you why it's so crucial and beneficial. So the product that we used for the demo, I actually bought. And this leads me to my number one reason why you should create a wish list on Amazon. Once you add products to that wish list, Amazon actually sends you a push notification via email on when that product is reduced. So outside of high sale periods, for example, Prime Days and Thanksgiving sales, outside of that period, Amazon notifies you when it's reduced. During the sale periods, however, having all your products in one place will make it so easy for you to just capitalize on those sales because all your favorites are already in one place and it will be reduced in that space. This product you're currently seeing is on my wish list. I am torn. This is one of the problems that I had mentioned before that I had problems and I was hoping for Amazon to solve. I'm considering using something like this in my closet. As you can see, it is just a hot mess. I have to put all my built-ins in. We have only recently moved in here, so this I'm thinking could be a storage solution, something temporary, but I'm adding it to that wish list so that when it goes on sale, I can capitalize on that reduction. Now, I also have a ton of plants, so I'm considering possibly using it in here as well. So maybe you can let me know if you have this product already, if it's been working for you, but I'm considering this one for either of the two spaces, my closet or this plant room. But I'm going to wait for it to be reduced and having it in that wish list, I'll be notified immediately. Another reason why I love Wishlist is because it allows me to prioritize my purchases. What that means is when I have free time, I browse around on Amazon and I add things to my wish list. And over time, I sort of think over the items in the wish list and decide if I still want them, if I don't want them, if I found products to compare, they're all in that wish list. And as time passes and as budgets allow, then I will make purchases based on priority and not just impulse buying. Now that we understand the power of creating a wish list on Amazon, let's move on to point number two, which is shopping for savings and not just at that retail price point. Here's another product on my wish list that really explains what I mean by shopping for savings. So this is a pressurized handheld steam cleaner. I would absolutely love to have one of these. Actually, if you have one, please comment below. Let's just get the discussion going so that you can help me make that decision on if to purchase this or not. But anyway, what I mean by shopping for savings is under certain products, you're going to see the option just below the price, even though it's on sale, to stack your savings by applying a coupon. All you have to do is read those terms and conditions and see if you want to buy multiple products in that case, or just be clear on if you have to abide by maybe a subscription or so, and you can probably stack an additional discount on top of an already discounted product. Now, what I want to get into also is that below the product you're interested in, you're going to see a category that says you might also like. In this section, what Amazon is basically doing for you, and I find this is such an awesome feature, is helping you do your checks and balances or making your comparisons easier and faster for you so that you can see sometimes even the same exact product being sold cheaper by a different vendor or a better rated product that will give you better service. So it's helping you to do all your checks and balances before you make that final purchase. Here's a well-kept secret. Well, a secret to me because I don't hear any YouTubers really talking about it or anybody really mentioning that this is an option on Amazon. But this product that you're seeing here is also on my wish list. I love the pattern. I love that it's reversible. I love that it's indoor, outdoor appropriate. It's just everything that I want in a rug right now. And basically, it's $71, even though it's on discount. And I do have the option to apply a coupon. However, and this is the secret, not many people shop Amazon's closeout deals. So all you have to do is go onto Amazon and search closeouts and all the overstocked products. And here's a rug that really fits in nicely with what I'm trying to say. All the closeouts are here and they are super reduced, almost half the price. So this one is already cheaper at $40 and I can apply 40% off via that coupon. So here are the final few products that are on my wish list that I am torn about, and I'm hoping that you guys will help me problem solve in terms of making a decision on if to buy them or which one I should buy first. Maybe comment below which one you like the best and which one you think I should get first. But I'm going to get into another point related to doing your due diligence. And of course, this relates to the reviews and the star rating as well as how actively the product has been purchased. Take this one for example. These are mesh pouches or bags. I'm sure you're familiar with these already. I love using them not only for my delicate clothes during laundry, but for annoying items that really get tangled during a washing cycle and a drying cycle. So anything with straps or belts attached, I always place into one of these pouches so it doesn't get tangled. By the way, it's 50% off right now. But the point is, this item has over 10,000 reviews and 100 packs bought in this past month alone. You know what? Let's actually read some of the reviews for this product. I do have a stash already, but they are a little overused. And I saw this pack and I was on the fence on if to replace them right now or if to hold out. But basically, you hit that area where you see the star rating and it'll take you directly to the reviews. And it is 4.7 out of 5, which is great. Some people have posted pictures, which I can see the zip and a little bit about the structural integrity. That person said you need this. This person says more helpful than you can ever imagine. Those are great reviews. So what I will do is I just continue reading through until I feel like this is the product for me. Right, so that's it in terms of my advice for shopping on Amazon. The last few products you see here are the balance of items that are on my wish list that I'm torn about. I'm so torn also about what to categorize this video as. If it's a shop with me or tutorial, I really have no idea, but I just wanted to share basically how I use Amazon and how I shop on Amazon, the checks and balances that I do, and also share a bit on the products that I am interested in currently and that are on my wish list. I would love to get feedback from y'all if you have these products already, just to help me decide on if to get them or not. Your genuine review will be greatly appreciated. That's the point of this YouTube channel anyway. I want to be able to share my insight as honestly and genuinely as possible. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one.